Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can connect your LeapFrog camera with your Wi-Fi network. So first of all, we have to click on this icon right here, and then we have to go to the settings icon. Right now we have to select this option, and here we've got option of the all available Wi-Fi networks, and you can navigate by moving on these two arrows. So if you are looking for your Wi-Fi network, just go below. In my case that's this one. So if I want to connect, click right here, and here we are able to input the password, so we can navigate with the arrows. And if you want to select any of this letter, just click like that. If you want to use the backspace, click right here and let me input my password. And then you have to select done. Now as you can see, it is connecting. I'm gonna cover my password. The down button is right here, so of course we have to navigate with the arrows. Okay, and it looks like we are connected to the Wi-Fi network, and our camera is also connected right now. So we have to click OK. And right now we are able to add our camera to this smartphone. But that's the way how we can actually connect this camera to the Wi-Fi network. That's all for this video. Hope you like it.